guys, what is happening, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today, you know what it's about. We're going to be talking about my grateful video of 100 subscribers. I'm super happy for all the support that you guys have given me all the way through from the start of my channel. And I know you guys might think 100 subscribers isn't a lot, but to me, like, could you imagine 100 people in the room right now? Like, that to me is a lot. This video isn't exactly just to rub it in people's faces, it's more of just showing you guys that anything is possible if you put your mind to it and you work really hard. Now, I've been doing YouTube now for almost a year, I guess you could say, or maybe like 7 or 8 months, and to reach 100 subscribers within that amount of time is just incredible. I am going to be working really hard at making more content as much as I can for you guys. But I do have other things going on at the moment right now, and you know, I have to get my life in order with that as well. But it's always great to have this YouTube platform as a hobby to interact with you guys as well. Now, before I get into anything, I've got a few plans of what I'm going to be doing for my YouTube videos, and I'm going to be prioritising them, and hopefully maybe we can sort of manage some time limit within those spaces of the week. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be uploading on Thursdays and Tuesdays, or I can just say Tuesdays and Thursdays, right? God damn it. And then on Saturdays and Sundays I'll try and maybe upload 2 videos on this channel as well as my gaming channel. But I do, however, realise that most of you guys have been enjoying most of the exploring videos, which is great. We have found more locations, so I will be happy to put them up soon. But I want to do more kinds of videos as well, and not just exploring, because I don't want it to be too boring, if you know what I mean. But with everything else out of the way, thank you guys so much. Like, I'm super grateful for all the 100 subs that I've been given, and yeah, it should be pretty good. I can't wait to upload more and see this YouTube channel expand and grow, because that's kind of the main idea, right? But who knows, I might come up with some more surprises on this channel. But this was a great surprise for me, finding out I had 100 subs. I didn't actually think I was going to get this far, because it is pretty challenging, I'm not going to lie. You guys might have also noticed that I've changed my name, but I want to leave that for another video, because I just want to talk about more of how I got these 100 subs. It was really hard at first, because I thought that when I was uploading it wasn't a lot and I wasn't doing it as much because I had other things going on. And that's probably really hard when you're trying to prioritise things and your plans and stuff. But don't worry guys, we're going to try and get videos Tuesdays, Thursdays and weekends, and hopefully we'll have some good content. But without further ado guys, I'm going to cut it short here, and I hope you guys have had an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!